Hello and welcome to today's question. We have that 4 raised to power x is equal to 30 and we're to find the value of x. So at this point you can try to solve this question and let me know your answer in the comments, or you can just follow along as I solve. Solution. So we have 4 raised to power x is equal to 30. So to find the value of x, we're going to straight away supply log to both sides. So we have log 4 raised to power x equals log of 30. Now, our log rule states that when we have log of b raised to power a, it is the same thing as a log of b. Now, this log rule we're going to apply to the left-hand side of our equation. And so our left-hand side now becomes x log 4 equals log of 30. So what do we do next? To find x, we divide both sides by log 4. So now we have x log 4 divided by log 4 equals log 30 divided by log 4. Log 4 will cancel out on the left hand side, and so what we have left is x equals log 30 divided by log 4. Now, so let's focus on the right hand side. Okay, now we need to simplify it because we still have 30 that can be broken down, and also 4 can be rewritten in a different form. So 4 is the same thing as 2 squared, which is 2 times 2. And 30, what numbers can we multiply to get 30? 2 times 3 times 5. 3 times 2, 6. 6 times 5 is 30. And all these numbers are like prime numbers, like they can't be broken down any further. Okay, so 2 times 3 times 5 makes sense. Alright, so now we have log of 2 times 3 times 5 divided by the log of 2 raised to power 2. Now for the numerator, we have a log rule that states that when we have log of a times b, it is the same thing as log of a plus log of b. And then for the denominator, we have another log rule that states that when you have log of b raised to power a, is the same thing as a log of b, like what we did earlier. Okay, so let's apply these two log rules to the right hand side of our equation. It now becomes x equals log of 2 plus log of 3 plus log of 5, all divided by 2 log of 2. Now at this point we can rewrite the right hand side as standalone fractions. So what we have as x is now equal to log of 2 divided by 2 log 2 plus log of 3 divided by 2 log 2 plus log of 5 divided by 2 log 2. Log 2 will cancel out here, and so what we have left is x equals half plus, we know another log rule states that when we have log of a divided by log of b, is the same thing as log of a base b. Okay, so let us apply this log rule to the right hand side as well. So now what we have is now half log of 3 base 2 plus half log of 5 base 2. So now we have a common number that we can factor out. We can factor out half, and therefore what we have becomes half into bracket 1 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. This is our final answer for x in its most simplified form. Now, We're not going to end here. We're going to have to verify this answer to make sure it is correct. And to do that, we're only going to supply this value of x into our equation wherever we find x, of course on the left hand side. And when we solve or simplify the left hand side, we want to see if it is going to be equal to the number that we have on the right hand side, because the question says 4x is equal to 30. So when we plug in the value of x that we've got into the left hand, the x that we have on the left hand side, whatever simplification, whatever answer we get after the simplification should be equal to 30. So let us try that. We have 4 raised to power half into 1 plus log 3 base 2, and then plus log of 5 base 2. And we're trying to see if this is going to be equal to 30. Now, 4 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 2. Okay? Then that's times half into bracket 1 plus log 3 base 2 plus log of 5 base 2. Let's see if that's going to be equal to 30. The 2's cancel out here. And when we open the bracket, because we know that from the law of indices that when we have a raised to power m plus n is equal to a raised to power m times a raised to power n. So applying this to the left hand side, we have 2 raised to power 1 times 2 raised to power log of 3 base 2 and times 2 raised to power the log of 5 base 2. So our log rule, another log rule we have states that when you have b raised to power log of a base b, this is the same as a. Okay, so continuing from where we stopped, so we have 2 raised to power 1 times this now becomes times 3, and this now becomes 5. Because from the rule, the b here is assumed to be 2, the b here is also this 2 here, and then the a is 3. That means the answer here is 3, and also for this one is also 5. 30. Now 2 times 3 will give us 6. 6 times 5 will give us 30 on the left hand side, which is exactly the same number that we have on the right hand side. Okay, so now all this has proven to us is that our value of x, which we found earlier to be this, is the correct answer to this question. So if you've learned something new today, make sure that you like this video, share this video, and let me know what you have to say in the comment section. And also, if you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, and bye-bye.